Hi, Gokulakrishna here. In this video, I want to tell you last week tech news, and every week I will bring the tech news for you. I'm sure it will not like product updates. It's all about the IT industry updates. I hope this video will lead your tech knowledge up to date and helps you to improve your career development in trending technologies. Now I am bringing you the eye on last week tech news. In Google Cloud Next 21, Google launches serverless Spark AI Workbench and made important enhancements in BigQuery, Vertex AI, Spanner, and also partnered with TableU. Fiverr acquires online learning company CreativeLive. Now Fiverr Learn portal folded into CreativeLive. The automotive industry is racing towards electrical vehicles. New research from Experience Per Mile Advisory Council guided by Harman and SBD Automotive looks at the future of electrical vehicles and evolving customer experience. Madhive agrees to $100 million deal with SADA to expand use of Google Cloud. Madhive manages infrastructure as a service enterprise software and works with broadcasters like Fox, Hearst, and Scripps. There is a new Ubuntu in OS world. Ubuntu Linux 21.10, the newest Ubuntu Linux, Impish Indri arrives. Microsoft acquires OKR vendor Ally.io and is planning to make its objectives and key results technology the core of fifth module in its Viva employee experience platform. Alphabet's on-demand delivery drone company Wing has partnered with Australian retail property group Vicinity Centres to run a pilot where drones are being used to pick goods from retail shopping centre roofs before dropping them off. Security researchers at JFrog worked with biotech company 23andMe to address a vulnerability with YAML, a tool written by the company and used by over 200 repositories. Microsoft joins Google and other major companies taking measures around environmental impact dashboard tool will now be widely available for Microsoft Cloud customers. Google Cloud deal with General Mills illustrates targeting industries and leveraging its analytics, machine learning and artificial intelligence power to expand. That's all. I hope this news will help you understand how the tech world is changing, and also I hope this tech news series will improve your career development. Thank you. Have a great day.